What's up? Welcome to SlayEdg Media, and I gotta give you guys a quick sneak peek view into my latest project that I'm working on. So the first project for the flipping cars is gonna be the Silverado. The Silverado right here. Now check this out. I'm doing all this work in my garage. It had body work. This thing was looking rough, horrible. And I'm sanding everything down, and I wish I had showed videos sooner, but it's better late than never because there's still so much work to do. Check it out. So this is where I'm at right now. All the sanding you see I've done. I got rid of all the crusty crap, crusty, rusty, nasty stuff. And I'm gonna go over this stuff with my primer paint that I got that I'm using. I've already done the front up here. So when it comes time for me to do these windows, see how the color is pretty similar to the original color? So I don't have to worry about those certain tricky spots, like all the things in here won't stand out as much. I could do the whole, I'm gonna do some of the window, some of the door, but I'm pretty much gonna leave the interior the way it is. But you'll see what I'm gonna do with that, because the interior has had it. This thing has been cross country, and obviously you can see the top, it's the shit was falling down. So I brought it down from North Dakota, and this is the color I got. This is not a primer color. The primer was underneath it. I got the headlights, tail lights are all off, they're over there. I got the grill right here. This is a super dark glossy black. And this, the bumper was one of the first things I did as well, you know, after I got everything all sanded. And that's a flat black right there. Just make sure you stay tuned, because soon I'm gonna have along that body line, and that body line is gonna be black, and then the roof's gonna be black. And then these rims, because I still got so much bronze paint left over, I'm gonna paint these rims the same color as the Audi out there. But this is extra glossy right here. So I got matte, glossy, gloss, and this is also gonna be glossy. So I'm gonna do the black here in the center, then I'm gonna go over it all with the gloss. So I'm doing the front first, then I'm gonna move and go towards the back, you know, do it in sections. Make it as easy as possible for myself, so I can like basically focus on a part, finish it, move on to the next part. But yeah, you definitely can do this stuff right in your garage, because this isn't like the paint that you use in like a paint gun, like sprays heck of crazy. When you do it at home, it's suggested get some good spray paint. This is the paint I'll be using for the wheels, like acrylic enamel, or this one, this gray is a high performance enamel paint, and then I'm gonna go over it with clear acrylic enamel. You see what I'm saying? I'm gonna finish off with clear on all this shit. Go over clear, finish off clear acrylic enamel, and when it sprays off, after you spray it, it doesn't hit your other stuff. It dries in the air. And if anything, you just got some dust on the floor you gotta sweep up, you know? That's all you gotta worry about. Like I said before, this is for the DIY kind of guy. If you wanna go to a shop, you don't feel like dealing with all this headache, all this work, then go ahead and do your own thing. But I'm just saying, if you wanna do it yourself, don't be scared. This stuff is not as hard as you think it is. But I tell you what, the best way to learn how to do it is to just start doing it. So a suggestion would be for you to do it on a vehicle that you already have, like an extra one that you don't mind, say you mess up, one that's gonna be like a learning experience, you know? So start from there, you know? I think anything's possible. As long as you're willing to put in the work to get the results that you want, you can get that shit. I mean, just like with working out and fitness and shit, it's the same thing with your car. But yeah, stay tuned for the other videos. More videos coming soon. I'll keep you updated on the progress of this thing right here. Oh yeah, and if you saw my last video, stay tuned for stage 1 and DSG tune for the Audi. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.